Hello YouTube, today I am making this video for the boredom of nothing. So if you guys can comment saying what's on your mind or anything, because I'm really bored. So can you just comment live or whatever, because I am bored. Yes, I am using my iPod Touch, the 4th gen, as you can see. So just wanted to tell you that I just got it a few days ago, and yeah. So tell me what's on your mind, and peace.